emergency button, start button, table lock. You can press the 4 buttons to adjust the place of the waiting table. And you can press this button to start the program. You can press here to start the computer. And this is pedal. You can rotate this wheel to lift the table. Before you start the machine, you need to connect the water tube between the water chiller and the optic pass. You can connect here with the gas. And this is the power of the water chiller. Then you need to open the computer and click the CNC 2000 program. Now we input a circle in the surface. When you press these 4 buttons, the table will move.
然后
we input another order to
然后比如说
create a line.
这个 F 这个30这个30这个都执行。
Now we turn off the machine.
先点这个
Firstly, press the start button again. Now we turn off the start button. Then we turn off the computer. And we lock the waiting table. Finally, we turn off the L switch.